thought I'd show today where we're at with getting the ALS motor put together. Hang on, I'll turn the camera around and show you where we are. Okay, so now we're getting ready to put the rings on one of the pistons. I thought I'd show how he does that. It's already got the bottom ring on it. So that there's got it, ain't it?
Yep.
Explain that about how they go. Explain about how they go.
Well, this one has got a little O on it. You always make the O goes to the top. This one don't. This is kind of a square ring, so it don't matter which way it goes.
Yeah.
And you want your groove right here directly on the opposite side of what it is on this ring. And the same thing on your oil ring here.
And then that little rough one goes in the center of the two on the bottom.
Right.
Alright. And then on the box there, it shows you how it's marked towards which rings go where. Now he's getting ready to put the ring squeezer on. Have to loosen it up, and then you put transmission fluid inside the ring squeezer right in there before you put it onto your piston, and then you slide it down in your block. We're getting ready to put the second piston in. I thought I'd show this. Got the ring squeezer in. He picks on the piston with the hammer till the dust goes down in there. Did it go down in there?
It hadn't yet.
Oh, that ring slipped out. Alright, hang on. We're going to have to recalculate here. Having a little technical difficulties. Okay, let us try it one more time. Getting it tightened up. It went that time. Then it goes down in there. You hold it while I roll it over. And you roll it over.
That's good. Won't have to go
Alright. Then we'll get the rod. Get it set up here on the crankshaft there. and then you just put your bearing cap on the top. Now he's torquing the rod, or what'd you say?
Rod. This is rod cap.
Rod cap down. And now we're turning them to 60 degrees. A little bit more. There you go. It's a little past 60 there. So far we got the crankshaft in it. Also got the cam in it. It was simpler to start out by putting the cam in and then start putting your crankshaft in. So that's how we did that. We've got number 1 piston in so far. And hang on just a minute, and I'll show the cam specs. It is a Texas Speed cam. There's the specs on it. And then there the pistons are. And we're putting LQ9 pistons in a LQ4 block. So here the motor is after getting it painted. We got it short blocked, and I decided to paint the block of it Chevrolet orange. I'm gonna leave the timing cover aluminum, oil pan aluminum, and then just gonna have the block painted orange. And all the accessories, I hadn't decided on what I'll end up doing with that. So we got the back cover on too, just leaving it aluminum too. So here it is. I just got done putting the push rods in, rocker arms, all that in right there. Tighten down, and then I just thought I'd show right now where put the Texas Speed push rods in it. And then I just finished up with tightening the rocker arms on this side also. Next thing will be is put them 2 sensors in and put the intake on it. And well, it has the wiring harness that you have to run to them 2 sensors. Put that on and then put the intake on it, and it will be ready to go. So that's just an update on the 6.0. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Hopefully next thing I'll end up be showing will be putting it in the 67.